This weird obsession with crowd sizes.
A jab from former President Barack Obama aimed at former President Donald Trump had the crowds at the Democratic National Convention laughing and cheering. The DNC is in full swing, and on the second night, we heard from the Obamas, who did not mince words roasting Trump during their speeches. Obama going viral after taking a swipe that was accompanied by a now viral hand gesture.
Here's a 78-year-old billionaire who has not stopped whining about his problems since he rode down his golden escalator 9 years ago. It has been a constant stream of gripes and grievances that's actually been getting worse now that he's afraid of losing to Kamala. There's the childish nicknames, the crazy conspiracy theories, this weird obsession with crowd sizes.
Obama took to the stage after being presented by his wife, who introduced him as, quote, the 44th president and love of her life. The former president praised Michelle as she gave a speech right before the introduction.
I am feeling ready to go. Even if I am the only person stupid enough to speak after Michelle Obama.
And the former First Lady's speech was one that was well received at the convention.
Now, unfortunately, we know what comes next. We know folks are going to do everything they can to distort her truth. My husband and I sadly know a little something about this. For years, Donald Trump did everything in his power to try to make people fear us. See, his limited, narrow view of the world made him feel threatened by the existence of two hard-working, highly educated, successful people who happen to be black. Who's going to tell him that the job he's currently seeking might just be one of those black jobs?
The former First Lady using the term that Trump used during his June debate against President Joe Biden.
The fact is that his big kill on the black people is the millions of people that he's allowed to come in through the border. They're taking black jobs now, and it could be 18, it could be 19, and even 20 million people. They're taking black jobs, and they're taking Hispanic jobs.
Vice President Kamala Harris's husband, Doug Emhoff, also gave a speech, and during a celebrity-packed roll call, Lil Jon gave a brief performance.
Georgia, how do you cast your votes?
Yeah!